Guys, please check your audio and video, boss. Please check your audio and video, guys. Please check your audio and video settings, boss. Yeah. In yesterday's class, I was talking about what, guys? In yesterday's class, I was talking about what, guys? Come on. How to work with HTML component, basic components and advanced components. We really dealt with how to deal with basic components and advanced components. Haven't we, guys? Right. So what is the conclusion, guys? If the component is giving single value, go for request.getParameter method. If the component is giving more than one value, go for request.getParameter values method. Right. Next one. You can group multiple radio buttons into single unit, but they allow us to select one radio button at a time. When you group multiple checkboxes into a single unit, they allow us to select 0 or more items. While working with the select box, list box, checkbox, radio button, selected items will not go to server as request parameter. The selected item content will go to server as request parameter value. The selected item content will go to server as request parameter value. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Come on. Are you with me, guys? Yes. Okay, I think yesterday we completed form designing and I have given one more statement. Always take form page as HTML table content, having alignment, busy color, all this stuff. So that if we apply color on one thing, it will apply all over. Yesterday code is sent in GitHub, guys. I sent that code to GitHub. I shared the code. Check it out. Once again, check, guys. Yesterday project not came up. Okay, I'll check once again. Okay, today I'll commit at the end. Don't worry. Yes, here is my web content, guys. Bit slow. Here is my web content, guys. Form.html. Yes, guys. All these statements have come here. What are the components we covered yesterday? Text box, password box, address, radio button 1, 2, checkbox, qualification, cities, check grouped checkbox, date, time, color, email, URL, telephone, range. Range. If you want, you can place placeholder. Placeholder. What is this? 1,000 to 10,000. Okay, guys. Right. 1,000, 10,000 to how much it is? Six zeros, 10 lakhs. Six zeros. Right. Week, month, submit one. Okay. Now, I would like to take a servlet, guys. Directly you can take a class. Later you can add a package. Your choice. comm.nt.servlet, guys. comm.nt.servlet. New, new class. From processing servlet. What is this? Form processing servlet. Request is what? Sorry, not extend super class. HTTP servlet, guys. HTTP servlet. Super class is wrong. Huh? Form processing servlet. Super class. HTTP servlet I am looking for. HTTP servlet I am looking for. Come on, guys. I'm looking for HTTP servlet, guys. After that, what next? Here we have do get and do post methods. Here is my do get, guys. Here is my do post. Here is my do get. Here is my do post. Okay. Public here. Public here. Do post is internally calling do get method. Yes. Get print writer. Print w is equal to res dot get writer. Next, set response content type. Res dot set content type text slash HTML. Res dot set content type text slash HTML. Are you comfortable, guys? Res dot set content type text slash HTML. Then what is next one? What is next one to focus as? Read form data. There are many things to read here. Let us take one by one. Let's remember the names first. Let's remember the name, age, address, gender, MS. We'll remember up to this. They are going to give single values. I am going to read single values only. Come here. String name is equal to request dot get parameter of name. Okay, don't confuse. This is local variable name. Any name can be there, but this must match with form component name because that only will act as a request parameter name. Age, guys. Int age is equal to integer dot parse int of request dot get parameter of age. Right. String address is equal to request dot get parameter of address. String gender is equal to request dot get parameter of gender. Request dot get parameter of gender. Come on, guys. Next. Right. String ms is equal to request dot get parameter of ms. Request dot get parameter of ms. After that, what next? Yeah, this 5 is over, guys. Now let's take next 5. Let us take next 5. Qualification, name of the component, cities. Okay, this will give single one. This will give multiple ones. Okay. HB, this also gives multiple ones. Date, time, color. These 3 6 will remember. String QLFY is equal to request dot get parameter of request dot get parameter of QLFY. String fav cities array is equal to request dot get parameter values of multiple values now values of cities, guys. Next, string hobbies array HBS array is equal to spell mistake in cities where here CITIES right now. This one array, that is variable name, right? Anything you can take. HBS array request dot get parameter values of HB. Date of birth request dot get parameter of DOB. Basically comes as what? String here. Later you want to convert into other models. String time is equal to request dot get parameter of time. Next, date of birth, color is equal to request dot get parameter of color. Super. Request dot get parameter of color, guys. Color. Nice. Next, email, URL, telephone number, range. Telephone number range. Otherwise, let me go for birth week and birth month also. Okay. Birth week and birth month. Array, this is variable name, ra, favorite cities, anything you can give, ra, babu, not a issue. Okay. String, birth month, request dot get parameter of, what's the name, guys? What's the name? Week and month. I'm just taking names as week and month only. Okay. Week. Next, string birth. Tell me, guys. Birth, birth week. Oh, here birth week. Fine. Here is what birth month. Request dot get parameter of month. Request dot get parameter of month. Come on. Right. Array form dot html. Oh, here we have given data. Let me give dob. Okay. Let me give tob as the component names. My choice, guys. I can. Oh, names are not given. Sorry, guys. Sorry. What is this? Date name is equal to dob. Yesterday we have not taken names for certain components, guys. Name is equal to tob. Next, name is equal to okay fav color. Right. Oh, yesterday we have not done all this stuff. Name is equal to email. Name is equal to FB URL. Oh, sorry. Name is equal to FB URL. Come on. Yesterday we just created components. Yeah, it should be time, guys. It should be time. Hmm. I think now you understood. Mobile number, telephone. Name is not taken yesterday in the excitement. Okay. Mobile number, MVNO. Okay. Range. Here also name is missed, guys. Salary. Okay. Next week. Name is equal to B week. Name. Good thing when no one everyone noticed that name is equal to B month. B month. Over, guys. Right. Name is not given everywhere. Tell me. DOB, right? Time. TOB, right? Okay. Next, what, guys? F color. F color. What is the name I have given for colors? Fav color. Fav colors. Fav color. Okay, fine. Fav color. Yes. Here, what should I took? Fav colors. Fav color. Birth week. B week. B month. Birth month. B month. What's the next story to focus, guys? Yes. We have other components also to worry about, right? Right. Yeah. Birth week, B week, birth month, this. Uh, Next one is what, guys? Fav color. What color, guys? Fav color. Hmm. That is also done. Next one is what? String. String you can take long also. Long number, mobile number. Long mobile number. Come on. Long dot parse long. Request dot get parameter. Request dot get parameter of. Tell me MBNO. Request dot get parameter of MBNO. Mobile number. Right. Next. What we are having, sir? Okay. Integer salary. Int salary. Okay. Integer dot parse int of. Request dot get parameter of salary, guys. Request dot get parameter of salary. Okay. I think we have taken salary as sala. What is the range? Range for range. What we have taken salary. Okay. You have to give names carefully, guys. Next one, string FB URL. String FB URL. Come on, guys. Request dot get parameter of FB URL. Request dot get parameter request URL. Then email. Email. String email. String mail is equal to request dot get parameter of email. Request dot get parameter of email. Come on. DOB date of birth, TOB time of birth, fav color, right? Email here, FB URL here, mobile number here, birth week here, birth month here. All these things came or not came. I hope you enjoyed my point, guys. Come on. B week, B month. Here, B week, one is this one. B month, MONTH. Yes. B week, B month. Right, guys. Right. I think all are covered. Single value, request dot get parameter. Multiple values, request dot get parameter values. Next one. Write business logic or request processing logic. Write business logic or request processing logic, guys. Simply write request business logic or request processing logic, guys. Tell me here, what is there? If, yes, if you want to write, you can write validation. Right now, I'm not writing validation, guys. If you are interested, you can write validation also. After validation, then business logic you should write. Okay, now what is your business logic, sir? I just want to write a message. You are an old man, you are a young man, you are a lady, you are a girl. This kind of messages based on the age and gender and based on the age, gender and marital status, I want to take this decision. Okay. If gender equals ignore case, compare without case sensitivity. M equals ignore case M. If age less than 5, then pw.println h1 style color colon green color colon green. Come on. uh, small kids are called masters boss. Master name you are. Okay. baby boy baby boy. Like this, I just want to give one funny message, guys, which will be decided based on name and age for boys. Sorry, gender and age for boys. For girls, it will be decided based on gender, age, and marital status. Okay. Else if age less than, else if age less than 12, less than or equal to 12, otherwise 13 I will take. 12 years. You are small boy or boy. Small boy. Next, else if, tell me, else if age less than 20, are 13, 14, all teens are there, na? Semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. Yes. Tell me here, you are teenage boy. What guys? Teenage boy. teenage boy. Master only. Array, master ah, mister ah. Array, mist. Okay, next onwards we'll say mister. Okay. Else if age less than 35. Age less than 35. Name, you are Mr. Name. Mr. Name, you are young man. You are young man. Else if 50. Mr. Name, you are middle-aged man. Middle-aged man. Else if, else, else. Mr. Name, you are Buddha. Mr. Name, you are Buddha. Got it? Yes, boss. Okay. Male gender story is over, guys. Else. Yeah, we are allowing only two genders. Else. I can copy this part, but marital status also I have to involve from teenage onwards. If age less than 5, master name you are baby girl. Next one. Master name you are small girl. Next. Master name you are teenage girl. Teenage girl. Okay, but here problem part starts. Teenage onwards problem part starts. What is that? We have to check even marital status before deciding master or Mr. Missa. Okay, Mr. or Missa, whatever it is, right? Okay. Now listen, age less than 20, that's cool. Yeah. If MS equals ignore case married. MS equals ignore case married. Okay, what is this? Misname, you are a teenage, you are married teenage girl. Married teenage girl. Okay, fine, boss. Else, I think not miss, you are Mrs. Mrs. Else, tell me. Misname, you are you are teenage girl. You are teenage girl. The same story continue elsewhere also, na boss. Right. If MS equals ignore case. Come on. If MS equals ignore case, married. Tell me, guys. Mrs. name, you are young girl, young woman, young woman. Else, Mrs. name, you are. Come on. Mrs. name, you are. Miss name, you are young woman. Miss name, you are young woman. Cool, guys. Next. Same story for here also, guys. Tell me, guys. If MS equals ignore case, married, married. Tell me here, what is this? Misname, you are middle-aged woman. You are middle-aged woman. Else, misname, you are No, you're not Miss, guys. You are Mrs. Okay. Miss name, you are, what is this? You are middle-aged woman. Miss name, you are middle-aged woman. Okay, fine, no problem. Right. MS equals ignore case. MS equals ignore case. Come on. Married. pw.println. Tell me, guys. pw.println. Mrs. name. You are old woman. Buddhi also you can say, but fine. Let's respect women's. Else. Okay, fine. Misname. Okay, you are old woman. Right, boss? This is done. All else part, everything is done, guys. End of what method? Else part. Here also else part. Yeah. Yeah. You can write other business logic also. You can go for government benefits also. You are eligible for that. You are eligible for this. You are eligible for ration. You are eligible for what? Education, loan, something. You can improvise business logic however you want, guys. Come on. Right. Um, Fine. Next one. I want to read and display the form data. pw.println, guys. Okay. H2 style is equal to color colon red. Text hyphen align is equal to center. Form data is H2. Form data is, what is that? H2, guys. Nice, guys. Start, guys. Form data is pw.println, guys. Okay. Bold open, closing, name plus name. I'm printing name plus name. All right. Name plus name, close bold tag. Name plus name, close bold tag. Okay, cool, guys. Next. Is plus years. Is plus years. Next. Age is not there, it seems. Age is there, fine. Address plus address. Marital status plus MS. Order is not important, any order, okay. Marital status plus MS. Next. Gender. Gender plus gender. Next. What is that, guys? Gender plus gender. What is that, guys? Gender plus gender. Next one is what? Marital status plus MS, gender plus gender. Qualification here. Qualification plus QLFI. Nice. Next one is what, guys? Tell me. Cities. Favorite cities plus. Listen, that cities is there in the form of array. Array, I don't know how many he is going to select. To convert any array into string, guys, we have arrays dot to string method. We have arrays dot to string method. What method, guys? Arrays dot to string method. We have simply got arrays dot to string method. Tell me, guys, what is arrays dot to string, guys? Arrays dot to string method. Arrays dot to string method of what, guys? Yeah, what is that? What is the name? Fav cities. What is the variable, guys? What is the variable name? What is the variable name? Fav cities. Okay, fav cities. Right. It will take care of conversion, guys. To string method is there, that will take care of. Next, tell me. Hobbies. Yeah, there also you will get multiple values. Arrays dot to string HB. Arrays dot HBS. HBS. Okay, nice. Next. Next one. Tell me. Date of birth. DOB. Yeah, that is a simple value, guys. That's a simple value, DOB. DOB. Next, time of birth, TOB. What's the variable name I have taken? Okay, still we have time only. We'll change to TOB. Next, boss. Uh, birth week. Birth week. Tell me. B week. What is the variable I have taken, guys? Oh, birth week completely I have taken. Fine, no problem. That is birth week. Next, birth month. Birth month. Here is what? Birth month. Next one, guys. Fav color. Fav color. Favorite color. Arrays dot to string. Arrays dot to string. Come on. Arrays dot to string. Arrays dot to string. Okay. Fav color. Color. Only color I have taken. What I have taken here. Color only. Just color. Chosen color, guys. It is not favorite color. Chosen color. Here I have to just type color. Nice. Here toString is not required because we are going to select one color and we are going to get hexadecimal notation of that color, guys. Next, email. Email. Here, what is the variable? Mail. Oh, in this whole process, I forgot BRs. No problem. We'll do it. Next, email. Next one, mobile number. Mobile number. What's the variable? Variable is important. Variable is important. Mobile number completely. Salary, FP rate. Mobile number. Nice, guys. Next, salary. Here, salary. FB URL. FB URL. Tell me FB URL. FB URL. FB URL. Okay, kind wise. Okay, everything is nice, guys, but one thing is missing. BR is missing everywhere. New line, because I don't want to see them horizontally coming. BR, BR. Right, guys. Add hyperlink. pw.println br ahref. Okay, ahref. What is that, guys? ahref. Form.html. Form.html. Home hyperlink. Home hyperlink. Add hyperlink. Simply think about adding hyperlink. Close stream, guys. pw.close. Close stream, guys. pw.close. End of do get method. Here is end of do post method. End of the class. Understanding, guys? Okay, we are trying to read data from all form component using them for business logic and all this hangama. Welcome file is configured yesterday, na guys. See this black color stars are there, na? But servlet is not configured. Shall I go for servlet configuration? Yes. Servlet, servlet hyphen name, some form. Servlet hyphen class. com.nt.servlet dot from processing servlet. What servlet, guys? From processing servlet. Servlet mapping, guys. Servlet hyphen name form. URL hyphen pattern form URL. URL hyphen pattern form URL. Got it? Form opening, closing. This is URL opening and closing. Are you getting my point? Welcome file here. Form opening and closing. Here is my form URL, guys. Right click, run on server, say next, remove all, finish. Okay. Yes, we got the form, guys. Okay, let's see. Name Raja. Age 30, address Hyderabad. You can write complete. Mail. Oh, checked. Checked should not come now, guys. Married should come. Checked should not come. Married should come. Okay. Married. Okay. Married. Display purpose, we should get married, boss. Okay. Married has come. Select a value. B Tech. Hyderabad, New Delhi. Watching TV. Stamp collection. Birth date. What's happening, guys? Why it is going that much down? 50,000. Okay, fine. 1900s we got. So somewhere 1990 something date. Some random date I picked, guys. Some random date I picked. Time of birth. In this browser, this component is not working, guys. Time component is not working. Let me change the browser to Google Chrome. Let me change the browser to Google Chrome. Again, fresh. Raja, guys. Age is a secret number. 34. Address is Hyderabad. Mail. This. BE Tech. This. Watching this. Date of birth. Date of birth. Some date. Okay. Time. Time. Favorite color. Email ID. raja@rani.com. If you don't follow, FB URL. Yes. Mobile number. Some number. 1234 something. Salary range. Tooltip is not coming. Okay. Use this one. Week. Birthday week. Some week. Month. Some month. Click on sugged request. Yes. Mr. Raja, you are a young man. Okay. Form data is Raja 34 Hyderabad married. See, selected items are not coming. The value kept in value attribute. Gender M has come. Actually, I selected male. Qualification ENGG has come, but I selected BE, BTech, something like that. Favorite cities is this. Hobbies has come. Phone number has come. Date of birth has come. 4 wise MMDD format. Time has come. Okay, see, birth week in 2021, week 6, month name, 2021, 11th month, whatever you have chosen. Chosen color, hexadecimal notation, email has come, mobile has come, this has come, that has come. I think we are able to work with all the form components nicely na boss. But one technical issue I want to show. Okay. Before showing technical issue, to feel that issue practically, method I am changing to get for the time being. Yeah, get you can write in lowercase also, not a issue. Method I am changing to get. Listen, guys. Here, empty string. As I typed because otherwise I will get number format exception. Here empty string. Here default one item is selected. Come on. It will show. Not selected. Here also not selected. Nothing is selected. Here also not selected. Okay. Here also not selected. Come on. Here also nothing is selected. Now you observe, guys. Send request. Yeah, number format. Okay, mobile number issue is there. Mobile number, I'm writing something. Email ID validation errors are coming. Email ID validation errors. Okay. raja@rani.com. Okay, guys. Now you observe, guys. Is okay. Is some 34. Click on it. Now listen. I didn't type much things, guys. I did not type much things. Notepad, guys. Say paste. I did not type much things. I did not type much things. Understanding my statement, boss? Listen carefully. When it comes to list box and checkbox, no request parameter is formed until I selected them. See, name I have not typed. Empty. Okay. If not typed, empty. See this? Oh, if I don't type them, what happens? That I want to show. Wait, back. Empty string. Yes, I have to type, guys. Why? Because address I have not typed. Address I have not typed. This also I have not chosen. Yes. Okay. Wherever validations are there, I type it. Remaining places I ignored. Click on send request. Look at the URL, guys. Click on send request. Look at the URL. Listen, guys. Name empty string, super. Name empty string, right? Name empty string. Though I have not typed. Age 23. Address empty string. Gender default value. Qualification empty string. Date of birth empty string. But observe, no request parameter is formed for checkbox MS. For checkbox MS, is there any request parameters, guys? You search for MS, not there. Okay. Next, I didn't select any hobbies also. HB. Is there any request parameter formed for HB, guys? No. I didn't select anything in the cities also. Is there any request parameter formed, guys? Not formed. But remaining components, though we have not typed any value, though we have not selected anything, still empty strings are formed or not? Still empty strings are formed or not? Come on. But when it comes to list box and checkbox, they will form request parameter only when they are selected. Otherwise, they will not form any request parameter. You cannot see their request parameters, guys. But because of this nature, one issue is there. Because of this nature, one practical issue is there. What is that? I will tell. Run on server, say next, say finish. Let's take one female's gender profile. Name Rani, is some number, address Hyderabad. Come on. Female, not married, not married. When I have not selected, no request parameter is forming. BE, BTech. Okay. Reading book, stamp collection. Remaining all are good. Someone date of birth, some time. Okay. Nice. Some color, some color, some color. Email ID. rani@gmail.com. Yes, FB URL. Okay, this one, salary, week, some week, month, some month. Yeah, this will give one practical problem. What is this, guys? No married is selected. Marriage is not selected. That means single. But when married is not selected, are you getting any request parameter, guys? No. In servlet, we are reading MS. ms is equal to request dot get parameter of ms. ms is equal to request dot get parameter of my point, guys. When not formed, what you will get? Null. When null is there, if you call the method, when null is there, if you call the method, ms equals ignore case married, you will get null pointer exception or not. If reference variable holds null and if you are calling method on it, we will get null pointer exception or not. Really, sir? Check it out. When you click on send request, you will get number format exception or null pointer exception. Okay, I will tell person age is not typed. Let me type person age, remaining all the things. Yes, we got null pointer exception. Check it out, guys. At what line number? 65 line number. Go to the code, go to the 65 line number, 65. Here exactly that only. Check it out. MS is having null. When null is there, if you call the method, you will get null pointer exception. And are you noticing it, guys? So that means we must handle non-select state of checkboxes or not. Non-select state of checkboxes and list box must be handled explicitly. So what? How to handle it, sir? How to handle it? Handle non-select state for. Okay, only for checkbox and list box only this problem is there. Remaining all components, either they go ahead with default values or they go ahead with what? Empty string. Only for checkbox and list box this problem is there. And in non-select state of list box and checkboxes. Tell me. Okay, I think I can use a ternary operator or otherwise your choice. If ms double equal to null, if ms is null, ms is equal to, if ms double equal to null, ms is equal to married. Sorry, double equal to means not selected. Not selected means single. If ms double equal to null, ms is equal to single, guys. ms is equal to single. Are you getting my point there, guys? Are you understanding my statement here, guys? Tell me. Next, if HB is equal to null, guys. HBS is equal to null. Then what is this? What is the one I want to have? HBS is equal to new string array of no hobbies. I don't want to have empty string. I want to have a message no hobbies. If what is this? City is not equal to null. City is not equal to null. Five cities are five cities. Five cities not equal to null. Come on. Five cities not equal to null. Come on. No. When see remaining all components, though they are not typed, empty strings are coming default. But if these two components are coming only when they are selected. So that's why we are going for non-select state. No cities. No cities are selected. No hobbies are selected. No cities are selected. No hobbies are selected. Okay, guys. Come on. If it is equal to null, I am creating a new array with one element. Otherwise, container only will create the array and will return it. Okay. Now that problem will not be there. Check it out. I hope reloading is also completed. Back, same situation. Age some 34, age 34, all are there. So Kefim send request. See this guys, farm data, single has come, single has come. Still this time also request parameter for MS is not formed because I have not selected, it won't be formed also. This time also MS is not formed. Is there any MS? No. Is there any MS? Come on. But when not there, we are checking and assigning single. Single is there means not a null. Not a null means no null pointer exception. Okay, let me check whether it is working for list box also. I didn't select any list box. I deselected. I didn't select any check boxes. Right. Click on this. Oh, 1 minute. Whenever we say back, AZ is missing, guys, because passwords are not coming back. Remaining all are perfect, perfect. This one. This time observe. No hobbies are selected. Favorite cities are coming. That's why fine. Suppose if I don't select favorite cities, also not a issue. 34. Click on this. Tell me. No cities are selected. No cities are selected. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Right. No cities are selected. What is the hobbies? No cities are selected. What's happening? Favorite cities nulla. Maybe something gone wrong in the code. Let me check. Let me check. Oh, here also I have kept this one. Fav cities. Fav cities. Not selected, guys. Not this one. Send request. Yeah, AZ is missing when you press back button. Click on it. See, guys. Oh, back, back, back. Let me not select it. Let me type the A's. Yes, no cities are selected, no hobbies are selected. Understood, guys? I hope you understood the point here, what I am trying to say. The point I am trying to say here is very simple, boss. Except list box, comma, checkbox, components, components. Okay, except list box, comma, the remaining all components takes either empty string or default value as the request parameter value by framing as the value or default value by framing request parameter request param comma value request param having name comma value though. Yeah, 1 minute. Empty string or default uh, value as the request param value in the queries. Okay, request param value, even though they are not filled up or they are not selected, even though they are not filled up or they are not selected. Okay, the request params will be formed for will be formed for list box, comma, checkbox component only when they are selected. Only when they are selected. Otherwise, okay, no request params will be formed for them. Okay. So this leads to problems in our coding. This leads to problems in our coding. Null pointer exception may come. Exception may come. This indicates we need to handle, come on guys, we need to handle non-select state for checkboxes and list boxes. Non-select state for checkboxes and list boxes. Non-select state for checkboxes and list boxes. Right, guys. This is the story, guys. This is the point. MS double equal to null, MS single. HBS double equal to null, no hobbies are selected. Fav cities double equal to null, fav cities are this. I think you understood, guys. I hope you got a clarity on this point. Remaining component, they adjust with empty string or they adjust with default values. Even though they are not filled up or typed, filled up or selected. But these two components are very specifically, they will form request parameter. Forget about getting default value. They will form request parameter only when they are selected, only when they are checked. So that's why we have to handle non-select state for these two components like anything, guys. You must handle like anything. If you don't handle, you are the loser. If you don't handle, you are the loser. Understood or not? I want reply, guys. Understood or not? I want reply, guys. Are you getting my point? Sir, favorite colors is coming. You in the default you write blue color. That's it. Fav color is Nadika. Here you write blue. That's it. Here you write blue instead of no city. If you see boss by default. So we cannot go for favorite color as blue as a default, guys, because that color box, color chooser box, whatever default is there, that will come. In color chooser box, whatever default is there, that will come. Faisal said this is the most difficult problem of real time, guys. Most difficult problem. That's why I'm addressing. So many people struggles by not knowing this point. It's a challenging problem. As part of challenging problem list, you can add it. Yes. Because for male, application runs properly. For me, female, married also application runs properly. For female, single application won't run. People struggles because generally people go by force na, they cannot even feel it also. I faced it. That's why I'm sharing with you people. I'm talking something means I'm talking out of experience, boss. I'm not just talking theoretically. Do you think all these are available in the internet? Books? Tell me, do you find these things, these corner points in the internet and books? You don't find. You don't find because these are coming out of experience. Don't forget that. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow.